Daily Tech News. Now Mi Band 4 and Mi Band 3 update allows users to unlock Windows 10 laptops straight from Fitness Tracker. Google to shut down Neighbourly, its local community information app, less than 2 years after launch. Intel launches its fastest ever 10th Gen Comet Lake-H CPUs for gaming laptops. Noida residents can get essential items delivered at their doorsteps using Noida Apurti app. Hotstar to premiere Disney Plus content on April 3, Dolby support coming soon. Xiaomi Mi Band 5 teased, could launch on April 3 with updated features. YouTube working on TikTok competitor called Shorts. COVID-19, Reliance Jio, Airtel and Vodafone offer extra talktime, extend validity to provide relief. WhatsApp to bring in expiring messages feature, won't leave a trace. Samsung Galaxy A10 starts receiving Android 10 based One UI 2.0 update. Google says it is improving audio quality of Duo calls using machine learning. Zoom vulnerable to cyber attacks, Certain says issuing advisory on safety. OnePlus now says its OnePlus 8 series gets top display ratings. Uber launches Uber Medic in India for healthcare workers. BigBasket starts deliveries with cab aggregators and restaurant associations. Grofers also faces shortage of staff. For more visit techviral.news.